What's up, you guys? It's Golden Baby here with a video, and as y'all can see by the title, I am giving y'all an apartment tour. I am searching for an apartment, and this is one of the first ones. Well, actually, I would say probably like the fifth one that I went to. I didn't capture the other one, so I finally decided to record. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and I really love it. So this is the guest room. It has a very small closet, but it's for guests, so it doesn't matter. And then I love how spacious it is as well. And look at me right there. And then we have to go over to this little closet area. So that's your storage. And then we have on our right, which is the bathroom. Very spacious. I love it. Looks modern. They have a cabin space as well. And I love that the tub is a fair size. It's a good size. Not that garden tub that I'm looking for, but it's still good. And then it doesn't have an in-unit wash and dry, so you do have to purchase your own, which I don't like. I want an apartment that has the washer and dryer included, so I don't have to come out of pocket. But look at this master bedroom, you guys. It is so wide. That is a king size base, and look at that mirror. It's so gorgeous. So definitely gonna have a big mirror in my room. This inspired me, but I really do love this. And then I love the hallway that goes to your closet. This closet is huge. I have a lot of clothes, shoes, everything, so that's perfect size. And the bathroom is very wide. I love the vanity that they have on top, and I love the concept, the idea of putting a chair right there as well. So this is really cute. And then we're gonna go to the patio, which I'm absolutely love. It is so big. They have a sofa up there and 2 other chairs. And then I seen somebody else had curtains around it, which is a good idea to, if you want to be cut off from everything out there, you don't have to see anything else. But I'm really loving it. And then we're gonna head out and go to the gym. But look at all this area. This is a good size playground area. Play football, whatever. And it also had a dog park. The dog park was huge. So this is the game room / gym, and they open 9 a.m. to 10, which is a good. Actually, this one opens 6 to 10. The other one I'm going to show next opens 9 to 10. But this is a fairly good size gym. It has everything that you need in it, that you need to work on. And by the looks of it, it looks like a lot of people don't come here. So definitely gonna have that alone time that I want. And they do have a mailroom that you can put your Amazon packages in, so you don't have to worry about anybody taking it. And I love how big this mailroom is as well. And now we're gonna go over into the second apartment that I went to see today. And this is a guest room. I was trying to adjust the camera, you guys. But this is the guest room. My family came with me to go look at it. And this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, which is gorgeous. I love the size of the closet. It's okay. And then the bathroom is very spacious. I love a spacious bathroom. And then we head out to this, and they do have a back door to this. And I love how they set up the L-shaped table. It's really cute. So this is the dining area. And one thing that I loved about this is that they have black countertops, which you don't see very often. And that's just my aesthetic. Black, dark. And now here is another bedroom number 2. And I would say this bathroom is just as spacious as the other one. And I love how they have so much countertop. It has 2 sinks as well. And here goes a better view of it without my family in the picture. And also, we're going to go out, and this is the closet that's right on the right. And I love how spacious this is. So this closet is definitely bigger than the other one. And I love that they have a canopy bed. I'm thinking about getting one, so that's good. And then we head over to the gym. You guys, the gym has 2 stories. And I was like, this is it. This is the one. And this this is the bathroom to the gym / the pool area as well. They have an elevator, and then they also have a yoga room or whatever you want to do over here, dancing, whatever, making TikToks, whatever. This is the room. So that's pretty much it. That's the end of the video, and I'm gonna show y'all my mom's house hunting. So this is a little tour of the house at one of the houses that we went to go see today, and I think it's cute. I had to hurry up and record this because I had to use the bathroom so bad. So y'all gonna see me going crazy up in here trying to hurry up and record this for you guys. But yeah, this is the master bedroom, and I would say the bathroom is fairly, it's okay, but the closet is huge, you guys. It's huge, and my mom already has 2 closets at this moment, so I think that one's, it can fit her clothes and stuff. It can fit it. And then have the dining area with the kitchen, and then we have on our right is the laundry room, and then the garage is right outside of it. It's a 2-car car door garage, and I love that they have space back there for the cleaning supplies and detergent and everything. This is bedroom number 1. The closets are small, but that's okay, and the rooms are small as well. And this is bedroom number 2, and then you have the bathroom on the right, and it's a fairly good bathroom.